Welcome to the Sekisui Learning Admin Video Manual series for the updated HTML5 interface. In this video we will learn how to create and set up an assignment profile. An assignment profile is an LMS function that lets you filter employees into groups based on variables such as their position, hire date, job title, etc. You can then automatically assign trainings to these groups of employees. Let's get started. Click the Manage User Learning menu on the left of the admin home screen, then click Assignment Profile submenu. Now click Add New. Now we need to input the basic details about the assignment profile. First, the assignment profile ID. Next, a description, which is the assignment profile title. And finally, a domain, where you must save your assignment profile. We recommend using your organization's own domain. Next, click Add. This screen is the core of the assignment profile. From here, we can cycle through these tabs at the top to filter employees or add different types of learning content. First, start by selecting the employees you want to target with this profile. Click Rules. First, you must select a security domain from which to filter employees. Choose your company's own domain. Click this button to search for the domain. Input part of your organization's domain into the Security Domain ID search box and then click Search. Check the boxes next to the security domain name and then click Add. Next, you need to create some rules for which employees to target with this assignment profile. To do so, click Create a Group. Start by giving your group a title. For example, employees with the job code HTML5. Then select the attribute drop-down box to choose from a list of attributes by which you can filter your employee group. Select job code ID. Select Contains from the Select Operator drop-down. Type the name of your job code ID into the text box. Then click Save. You can check which users will be targeted by this assignment profile by clicking Download Preview Users. This will download a CSV file of the users. If you want to create a more detailed group of users, you can click Add a Rule to add another rule. For example, users with the job code ID HTML5 and users who were hired after the 1st of September 2010. This will create a target user group of employees who have the job code and who were hired after this date. Employees with the job code HTML5 who were hired before September the 1st, 2010 will not be included in the target group. You can also use Create Groups to add separate groups of employees that will also be targeted by your assignment profile. For example, employees whose position is accountant. This feature allows greater flexibility for targeting your training for different groups. After creating groups of employees to filter, click Save. Next, you need to add learning content to the assignment profile. You can do this by clicking any of the learning-related tabs at the top, such as Libraries, Items, or Curricula. As an example, click Items, and then select the plus button to search. Input the ID of the item we created in video number 2. Then select Search. Check the boxes next to the items you want to add to the assignment profile. then click Add. As you can now see, your items are in the assignment profile and ready to be assigned to your target group of employees. To activate your assignment profile and assign your trainings, click Actions in the top right-hand corner. Then click Execute, and then click Run this job immediately. Then click Finish. The execution screen will pop up. Simply wait for it to finish assigning. This may take several minutes, depending on the number of employees targeted by the profile. After the execution screen says successful, that's job done, and you can close the window.